to get started, we will be adding in the black beans. And to that, we'll also be adding in, you guessed it, corn. And we'll also be adding in a bit of tomato as well. And to the tomato, we'll be adding in some garlic. And to that, we'll be adding in some jalapeno, parsley, and spring onions. And now we'll be adding in some lime juice as well. And to that, we'll be adding in some salt. Now we like our stuff spicy, so in addition to this, we'll be adding in some of our pepper sauce as well. And this is the Trini hot pepper sauce that we have. So this here, it's Camella's Kitchen Trini hot pepper sauce that we use today. And we'll continue to mix up the salsa. So by adding in the pepper sauce, it actually made the salsa pretty spicy, and you can add in more or less depending on your spice tolerance. And we'll continue stirring until it's well mixed. And there it is, our corn and black bean salsa.